Gangsta Island in this motherfucker. ADL and MMI, fly high motherfucker. TAB, bitch, you know what it is. Yeah, I'm a wise nigga. Total chopper on my side, nigga. My pistol is high, get your ish. I'm a wise nigga. Total chopper on my side, nigga. My pistol is high, get your ish. I'm a wise nigga. Total chopper on my side, nigga. My pistol is high, get your ish. I'm a wise nigga. Total chopper on my side, nigga. My pistol is high, get your ish. I grip wood while sipping my drink, not spilling the thing. Boppers drop from the way that I swing and how I'm dripping paint. Kickers bump when you jump and you think it's lightning and thundering. Bass knock when it drop, you can feel the sound from the wing. From the land where they selling dope and they blowing out brains. I ain't follow Obama, but yet I'm all for the change. What it do, world? Let me get a piece of this cake. If I can't eat with you, it's fuck you when I come to your state. I try to put aside my pride cause I know that I'm blessed. But I don't think you wanna go and push my buttons, I'm stressing. I cut his head off with a 50-round clip. All we know is to stack dough and get it round here. Up north, so it costs more to get it down there. Ain't no tourists gonna really wanna live around here. Give it up or die with it. Just know when I get it, I be off up in the club getting drunk with damn bitches, huh? And you gon' get your issue guaranteed. Got that 30 round in that motherfucking KG. Try me, and you can get followed to the crib. We gon' make it hard for you to walk out that bitch. We don't play around with you busters or you fucking suckers. MMI, ADL, and we not fucking trusting no bitch, no broad, especially no nigga. We not tripping cause we pulling fucking triggers. Treat your shit if you want it. Choose your fucking color or your casket, stupid bastard. You really didn't want it. We ain't praying, we spraying. We not fucking talking no more. Better yet, we fucking hawking a hoe. I'm a wise nigga. Total chopper on my side, nigga. TAB, goddamn it, ADL and MMI, Trump tight entertainment, you feel me? Goddamn it, it is what it is out here, you hear me? Trap House Production, you know what I'm talking about? Gangsta Island in this motherfucker, man. You know what it is, man. All the talking cease, man. It's over with. We on to the next one, you hear me? Let's get this money, man.